Pyodbc Autocommit does not appear to work with Sybase and Sqlalchemy. I am connecting to a Sybase OSA 15 database from Python 3.4 using Pyodbc and executing a stored procedure. All works as expected if I use native Pyodbc. Driver is Adaptive Server Enterprise. I have to have autocommit equals true, and if I do no, I get the following error. Database error, execution failed on SQL exec, sap-ase driver adaptive server enterprise stored procedure p_procedure may be run only in unchained transaction mode. The set chained off command will cause the current session to use unchained transaction mode /n 7713 Sqlalchemy director. I attempt to achieve the same using Sqlalchemy 1.0.9. The error message is the same despite the fact I have specified autocommit equals true on the connection. I have also tested this at the session level but should not be necessary and made no difference. Bappy error, Pyodbc.error, sap-ase driver adaptive server enterprise. Can you see anything wrong here? As always, any help would be much appreciated.
I had some problems with autocommit option. The only thing that worked for me was to change this option to true after establishing connection.
Passing the autocommit equals true argument as an item in the connect_args argument dictionary does work. Connect_args, a dictionary of options which will be passed directly to the Sybase connect method as additional keyword arguments.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.